time. Time is the big thing. You want to keep your customers happy. So time and consistency and making sure they're getting good, top quality food every single time. My name's Sian Rudd. I'm the head chef of Pastorale by Meccanico. At Pastorale we have a rolling menu, which means you get a different meal every time you come. We have a shared style menu and we encourage guests to choose for the table and then you get a better experience.
Hi, my name's Carl Holford, co-owner of Pastorale by Meccanico in Wagga, New South Wales. I had a good relationship with the guys from Wagga Catering Equipment previously, from the setting up the cafe. The guys really helped us out immensely in the setup of the restaurant here, everything through to the initial design of the kitchen, to choosing the equipment for us, and then obviously installation as well. Yeah, it was a seamless interaction and we're very grateful for all the assistance that the guys have given us.
So working with Wagga Catering Equipment was easy. They came down to the venue, listened to what we wanted. We got a feel for the kind of menu and food we wanted to deliver to our guests, and from there they gave us suggestions. Went back to the showroom, designed a kitchen layout for us, and then they would send it to us for review. If you're looking to plan and build a new kitchen, I would recommend knowing exactly what it is that you want, but also be mindful that you have to compromise in some things that you might not be able to have, or that, some different ways that you can actually have a functioning kitchen that you may not have thought of before, because the designers are definitely there to help you build the best kitchen for you.
The after-sales service has been exemplary. They just can't do enough for us. We had a little problem with our coffee machine, and literally an hour later, we had one of the fellas here checking the machine out and rectified the problems.
The outcome is great. We couldn't expect anything more from the kitchen that we've had designed for us. The oven wasn't the oven we were going to go with originally, but it was the guys at Wagga Catering that suggested it, and as soon as they said that oven, I knew exactly that's what we had to have. We were always going to go the European feel, but it just changes the vibe. The flavour you get from the charcoal oven, you can't get from any other cooking method.
If anybody came to me saying that they were looking to do a restaurant fit out, the first thing I would say would be, to go and see the guys at Wagga Catering Equipment. It should be your first port of call. It's a no-brainer, really.